Hello, welcome. Question 8b. The length of the line joining the point 3x 7 and minus x8 is 7 units. We are to find the value of x. This is just the magnitude of a point joining, of a line joining two points. So if I'm to find the length, let's just say the length or the magnitude is the square root of the change in the x coordinate square plus the change in the y coordinate square. So here, what do we do? If this is the first point, we can easily say that this is our x1, y1, x2, y2. The length is 7 units. So we can just do substitution and have our 7 equals to the root of x2, in this case minus x, minus 3x all square plus y2. This is y2, right? This will be 8 minus x1, which will be 7 all square. What do we do later? We can see that we can work this under the square root or remove the square root completely. So if we remove the square root, okay, let's just say square both sides. So if we do the square root on both sides, it becomes 7 square equals to, in the case of this, I'll be having minus x minus 3x. That is minus 1 minus what? 3. That will give minus 4. So minus 4x all square plus 8 minus 7 is 1. 1 square remain what? 1. The square of 7 is 49 equals to minus 4 square times x square. That will be 16x square plus 1. What can we do? Let's eliminate the 1 by subtracting 1 from both sides. So if I subtract 1 from both sides, I should be having 48 equals to 16x squared. Then I need to eliminate this as dividing by 16. If I divide both sides by 16, I think this will be 3, right? I'll be having 3, equals to what? X squared. All right. But we are looking for the x, the value of x. So here we are going to square both sides also. This square root. Okay. Find the square root. So if you find the square root of both sides, we are going to have x equals to plus or minus what? Root 3. I think we can leave it as simple as this, or we can also convert it into decimal as 1 point. I think it will be negative 1.5 that way. We'll leave 1.5. Let's cross check on the calculator. That will be 1.7, rather 1.73. But we are just to find the value of x. So if we substitute this, the root of 3 as in positive into this and find the length, you come back to 7. If you put in the negative also, you come back to what? 7. Because if you check from here, if you were to have x1 minus x2, you'll be having 3x minus negative x. That will have given you a positive 4x directly from here. And when you square the positive 4x, you still come back to this. So both the negative and the positive root 3 of x will work in the case of getting the length. All right, like, share, comment, subscribe, and come back for more.